sometimes it's hard to get the holes to line up when you put two pieces like this together. Here's what I would do. Decide where you want one of the holes. Oh, then you tap a little nail in there. Wherever you decide, doesn't matter where. Like that. Then you nip it off. Just leaving a little bit. Just leaving a little bit. Maybe that's too much even. Then position your piece where you want it. Just give it a bit of a press down. And you'll have one of the locations. Pull that little nail out with whatever tool you got. I like to then drill it with a small drill first. Actually, if you had brad point bits, that's the way to do it. But you likely don't have those. So what I would do is you drill a tiny hole first, trying to keep it vertical and straight in where you want it. Now I'm going to drill it deeper than I need to because I don't want to drill too much into this one just for my example. Then drill the hole you want, the size hole you want, which might be one size bigger than the material you're going to use. I just I cut off a piece of an old bolt, so I have a threaded chunk there. Drill that hole. Then you can still find, oops, should have left a little drill in. You can see I just haven't practiced this. So there's the little hole right there. Again, try and drill it as straight as you can. Re-drill it with the big hole, with the bigger drill again. You might have to ream it a bit if you use the same size. This is a quarter, and this is a quarter. Then check to make sure that that all works. I'll put it in here first. And if that works, then all you need to do is take another little nail. So you can put this one again any place you want as well. Nip it off too. Don't want it too long. Just want to be able to leave a mark. And assemble it with your first fastener. And get it where you want it. Like locate it in the center or whatever you want to do. Then push it down and you'll have marked this side. If you can see that. So once again, the same process with the two holes. Drill a little one and then the big one. And then put it together. If you need to, you can ream out the holes a little bit by going around in both of them. Because you're going to use epoxy to fill it up anyway. So I hope that helps you get it together.